Hello, dear friends. Now let us discuss about the decimal representation of irrational numbers. And the decimal representation of irrational numbers will be non-terminating and non-recurring. And we have already seen that root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational, root 5 is irrational. And if you find the decimal form of these numbers, for example root 2, 1.414213, etc. I have put 3 dots here, remember. That means it is not going to have any end. It will keep on going like this without any end. It will go on like that. So there is no particular block of numbers also repeating, and non-terminating and non-recurring. Root 3 equal to 1.73205081, etc. And here also it is not terminating, and also it is not recurring. Recurring means a block of numbers, or it can be even a single digit keeps repeating in some cases. There is no such thing happening here. So this is also non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. So the decimal representation of an irrational number will be non-terminating and non-recurring. And we have already seen that the decimal representation of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating but recurring. And in general, numbers can be divided into two categories. First category, numbers without decimal point, and the second category, numbers with decimal point. And in this first category, numbers without decimal point, natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. And the second category, numbers with decimal point, can be terminating decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals, and non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. First category, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. And the second category, terminating decimals, non-terminating recurring decimals, non-terminating and non-recurring decimals. Now if you analyze this, numbers belonging to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are rational numbers, and numbers belonging to sixth part are irrational numbers. Once more, numbers belonging to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are rational numbers till here, and the sixth part, non-terminating and non-recurring decimals, they are irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers together form the set of real numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers together, they form the set of real numbers. The symbol Q prime or Q dash represents the set of irrational numbers and is read as Q prime. The symbol to represent the set of real numbers is R. R stands for the set of real numbers. Therefore, R equal to Q plus Q prime. Set of real numbers is equal to Q plus Q prime. It is the combination of or if you add up both rational numbers and irrational numbers, we get the set of real numbers.